as humans, our first and basic instinct is to start evaluating people. We don't need anybody's permission to evaluate. We are a cradle to career organization with a purpose because we believe in three pillars as our strengths. The first and the most important pillar is entrepreneurship. We want our students to become job providers and not job seekers. So that is one particular thing. So the first and the most important pillar we have is entrepreneurship. Second is sports. The vision for the group is by 2020, we should give India, our country, one Olympic gold medal by Jain Group students. Third, and the most important thing which we believe in is the opportunity schooling model, the free schools or the education given to the underprivileged people. We have a mission of educating 1 lakh students free of cost. We have started off and we are now educating close to 7,855 students in Amethi and Kanakpura in Bangalore, where students pay 1 rupee fees, but they get the same facility like any international school in any corner of the country, the same food, the same uniform, the same books, the same transportation, and the same infrastructural facilities. So this is the mission which we are embarking on. Now, how is it going to happen? How is these things, that is 8,800 entrepreneurs which we want to create, or 1 Olympic gold medal, or educating 1 lakh people free of cost, how does it happen? It happens only when the big mass grows. When your business, or you call it your day-to-day bread and butter, grows, then these things grow. You need a system. You cannot just do it just for the sake of it or by the sake of it. And that is where you get this particular platform of franchising. Franchising gives you the system, gets you the people, and then puts the processes in place. And thereby, the entire triangle gets completed of system, people, and process. And that's how we get going in embarking on this particular mission and achieving it. And today, as I stand in front of you all, I can proudly say that we have a model. I have a 5-step technique, and now we have got the franchising thing rolling in our group. And as of now, we launched the kindergarten franchisee model in 2012 December, and today, in less than 1 year, we've got more than 15 branches of kindergarten spread across the country running successfully. The model which we follow is very simple. It's called as the pitch technique, P-I-T-C-H, P for personal touch. You got to engage with your franchisee on a personal level. You cannot ensure or you cannot expect them to follow like robots. It is not possible. Second is involvement. Involving them in the entire process. One of the other speakers was talking about you got to be there and then run it. Yes, at the same time, involve them in the business. Like somebody said that do not discover or invent your own ways of doing it. Yes, you don't have to do it. When you get involved with them and they get involved with you, the system remains the same, but both of you will start contributing to the system and thereby progressing the system. So involvement is important. And T, the traditions and the values. Without values, I don't see anything will survive the test of time. If you have to build, you have to build to last. And that can happen only when you build with values. So the T is traditions and values. And last 2 letters, that is C, is customer centricity. You got to handle the customers at the center. You cannot try to keep them at the borderline and then focus on things. I don't have to teach you how to do break-even analysis. I don't have to teach you how to do return on investment. But I have to tell you one thing, that if you are not able to understand the pulse of the customer at every point of time in your business is going to get redundant pretty early. So you got to be there as a doctor, touching the pulse and understanding where is your customers heading and where are you going. So that's important. And last but not the least is holistic development. The franchisor or the franchisee or anybody who comes to you to partner or you go to partner to, do not want only one thing. Today, everybody wants complete. They need a complete platter. You got to offer them everything, end-to-end solutions. Only when you enter or offer them end-to-end solutions, you will stand a chance to get their thing. In fact, my entire focus has been reverse here. It's not about I am talking about JGI and then I am inviting you. It's I am asking you for a chance. Give me a chance and we will take this country forward, because we have a mission of giving 1 Olympic to the country. We have a mission of educating 1 lakh students free of cost, and we have a mission of creating 8,800 entrepreneurs for this country. Hopefully, all of you will join hands and we'll take this forward. Thank you very much.